Hello everyone, how you doing today? Welcome to Jumia's channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you this quick flat twist style. There's three goals for this hairstyle for me. The first one is cuteness, the second one is quick, and the third one is protective styling, just styling my hair. I'm not going to waste your time on this video. It's going to be a quick video. Let me know in the comment section below if you will wear this hairstyle. Anyway, thank you very much. Continue to watch if you want to see how I achieved this hairstyle. I started by separating my hair into two. I'm going to deal with the front first. Listening to sad songs and feeling so low, thinking about you and where we went wrong. I wanna know why you let me go. A well detangled hair, it's better. My hair is pretty detangled, that's why it was easy for me to pat my hair. Let my guard down for you, baby. Why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. 'Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget you and everything we said, but I can't seem to. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply water to my hair. I'm gonna use some of this moisture butter from La Grace. I'm gonna use this much on my hair because I want to keep moisture longer on my hair, which is the staple reason why this product exists. I'm gonna follow up with some oil. The next thing I'm going to be applying is this flaxseed gel.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how get away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 On my mind, I just can't stop thinking about you got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 I just can't stop thinking